Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer domain on Shopify. Let's get started. So as of right now, as you can see, I'm the Shopify admin page, and then from in here, you can see the settings option. So just click on that, and then from in there, you should be able to scroll down until you reach the option for domains right here. So click on domains, and then from in here, you can click on this connect existing domain. And then once you have clicked on that, you have the option right here to transfer it to Shopify. So click on this transfer it, and then this will show you this bar right here, wherein you just need to type in here your domain that you have. So I have this domain right here. So from in here, I can actually just click on the next option right here in order to transfer this domain, or you can also connect the domain without transferring, but this will actually put you behind on the last page that we are on. So as you can see right here, this domain is actually non-existent. But if you have an existing domain and you want to transfer it to Shopify, you can just enter it right here and then click on next. Once you have clicked on next, you should be able to transfer it on your Shopify right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.